Howdy, neighbors. I'm in the process of refilling the feeders. So this is Thursday morning, I believe. Figured you could watch me while I refill the feeders. This is a hard one. Morning, handsome. How are you? Okay. So we'll find out just how long it lasts. Another cool morning here. Oh man, back is killing me from working yesterday. Well, I haven't heard anything from the realtor or the people that were coming from Southern California to look the place over, but there were two gentlemen from the Corning area. I happened to look out the window. I heard something and looked out, and there were two guys, a father and his son. I'd say the father was probably in his late 70s, early 80s, and the son in his 60s. And they had binoculars and were looking the property over. So I said, "Did you want to look the place over?" And they said, "Sure." And so I took them on a tour, and they were extremely impressed and really liked the place, but that's as far as it went, as far as I know. So they were looking at the real estate sign, and they had a clipboard with a bunch of different addresses on it from what I could see. So I'm guessing there's some kind of investor type people. Well, there's a couple of Granny Smith apples starting on this tree. I'll have to. This is one of the things that, you wait for the drop because they, at a certain time, the apples that aren't going to form all the way drop off, and I come through and I shake the trees and shake off everything I can, and then if I really wanted to be growing them, I'd probably go through and individually use like scissors or shears, and prune individual little bitty apples off so that only a few stay growing. Oh, I felt that one. All the apples are like that. Let's see here. You got any on you? Oh, I see a couple. This is an Arkansas black. I see some up there. Some all the way up there. But otherwise, this one doesn't have too many on it. What about you? This is another Arkansas black. Yep. See, this one's got a lot more on it. I tried to plant at least two of every kind of tree, but some of them I only ended up with, well, actually it turns out with quite a few of them I only end up with one or two. Or one, I mean. Well, the goldfinches are already on the sock. The nuthatch is already digging through and looking for the right ones. There's a female hummingbird. Supposed to be 83 or 82 today here, so pretty comfortable. It's got to be around 40, I'd say. Let me think about maybe 48, someplace in there, temperature-wise. I should remember to leave my thermometer out so I can see first thing in the morning. Hi, handsomes. Pretties. The upside down bird. Where'd you go? You were just right there. Oh, there you are. Oh. I guess I'm too close to him. And there's a titmouse. All right, I'll get back inside. Hi, pretty. See, that's a female. You can tell the muted colors. See the water at the bottom? That's her tongue going ding, 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 ding. Such pretty things. I'll get back inside. Besides, it's easier on the old back. Okay. I guess it's time to clean the mat off with all the weed whacking stuff. See, I don't know what kind that one is. And, oh, little turds. That was a titmouse. And there's some of the regular goldfinches. I think those are called a lesser goldfinch. It's been a while since I looked it up. I'm just too lazy to open the books and look. Where are you? Arg. Alright, well. Okay, I guess that's enough for now. I worked my butt off already today. I'm wore out.